My name is John Skipper. I have two Avatar SBL 18s on a JP83 at half ohm. And all the mid-range is Midas audio.
Okay. Oh, you got some up here too. Wow. What's this box tuned to?
Should be 30, 32. Whenever I run, I do 38.
38, okay. What's your SPL line on it?
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
On it.
So my highest score, I believe, is a 153.7.
Really? That's pretty good.
I'm trying to get it higher.
Wow. Yeah. Really? You're trying to get louder? Okay. Have you considered trying to change the port orientation?
Thought about it.
Yeah.
Probably either shrinking or just messing with it.
Yes, sir.
Really, I've thought about doing a center port
Uh-huh.
or a round port.
Airport here?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your battery and alternator power?
I got a 70 amp hour C-Max powered by a 320 amp Brand X alternator.
Okay.
The dual runs of Sky Highs and double out zero.
Alright. Is there a way I can see it? In the back and all? In the alternator? Awesome.
You can't really see the alternator because we're in position.
Don't worry about it. Well, what vehicle is this? It's pretty compact.
It's a 97 Geo Tracker.
Geo Tracker, okay. Wow. Nice. Really optimized the space. Did you actually slide the box in or did it build in?
The roof comes off, so it's more like a drop.
Oh, okay. Oh, so this kind of came out.
Yeah.
Got it.
It's originally a soft top.
Okay. Nice. Take a picture real quick. Nice. Thank you for showing me, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow.
This pussy tight like a nun. Better chew it up like it's gum. Then wipe your mouth when you done. I'm hot in the bottle. Pussy get poppy yada. Bitch, I look like money. You could print my face on a dollar.
They don't play that low, but I'm kind of running out of airspace.
Really? Oh, okay. A little bit of airspace in this box. How big is the box?
I have no idea. Noisy Boy Lab designed it.
Okay.
Nice. Tuned around 30 or 32 volts.
Okay.